Namaste to all of you. Welcome to today's maths class. In the last class we discussed the third algebraic method to find the solutions of a pair of linear equations. It is none other than cross multiplication method, and today we are going to discuss about equations reducible to a pair of linear equations. What does it mean? It means that the given equations are not in the pair of linear equations form. We should reduce them, we should change them to the pair of linear equations, that is simultaneous linear equations. So given equations are not in the form of pair of linear equations, we should change them to the pair of linear equations. Then we have to solve them by using any of the algebraic method to find their solutions. Now what are the equations which are in the form, which are not in the form of pair of linear equations? For example, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 2, 1 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 4. You see here, these equations are not in the linear equations form. As here we have the denominators are there, that is x and y variables are there in the denominators. So they are not in the linear equations form. We need to change them to the linear equations form. That we will discuss how to change. Then you see one more example like this: 7 by x plus 1 plus 5 by y plus 1 is equals to 7. 6 by x plus 1 plus 5 by y plus 1 is equals to 8. You see, this is also one pair of equations which are not in the linear equations form, that is a pair of linear equations form. We should reduce them. Say we take one more example, that is 3 divided by x minus 7 plus 4 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 0. Similarly, 4 divided by x minus 7 minus 7 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 0. You see here, they are also linear equations, but they are not in the pair of linear equations form. We should reduce them to the linear equations form, then solve those equations by using the algebraic methods, that is cross multiplication method, elimination method and substitution method. So are you able to identify the equations which are not in the pair of linear equations form? Like this will be there. Now we will discuss how to solve this kind of equations using the algebraic methods. Is it clear, children? Can you identify the equations which are not in the pair of linear equations form? Yes? Now we will discuss exercise number 3.6. First bit, solve the following pair of equations, just that equations, by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. See here, from that second bit we are discussing now, that is the equations are 2 divided by root x plus 3 divided by root y is equals to 2, and the other equation is 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. Solve means we should find their solutions, that is find the value of x and y. Solving, how can we do it? By using the algebraic methods. Now how to solve it? This kind of questions. First, write the given equations. Given equations are, what are the given equations? Given equations are 2 divided by root x plus 3 divided by root y is equals to 2, 4 divided by root x minus 9 divided by root y is equals to minus 1. So take this as equation 1 and it as equation 2. Now observe both the equations 1 and 2. See here, root x, root y, root x, root y both are there in the denominators. So root 2 by root x, 2 by root x, can I write this as 2 into 1 by root x? 2 into 1 by root x. Similarly, 4 by root x, it is 4 by root x can be written as 4 into 1 by root x, 4 into 1 by root x, and 3 divided by root y can be written as what it is? 3 into 1 by root y, 3 into 1 by root y. Similarly, 9 by root y can be written as 9 into 1 divided by root y. Now if we see here 1 by root x 1 by root x, it is common is there in the both the equations. Similarly 1 by root y is there common in the both the equations. So from these two equations, identify from the given equations the common terms. You take them, so you represent them with some other variables. Now I am going to express 1 by root 2, 1 by root x and 1 by root y as a and b. So now this is rough work. It is rough work. Just you can rough work. This is now put 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y is equals to b in equations 1 and 2. In equations 1 and 2. Put 1 by root x is equals to a. Now 2 root x will become what it is? 2a plus 3 root y is equals to what it will become? 3b, that is equals to 2, and this one will become 4a minus 9b, that is equals to minus 1. Now we got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. From those we got two equation 2a plus 3b is equals to 2, 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Now take this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. Observe this equation 3 and 4. Now what is the nature of this equation? They are pair of linear equations. Whereas in the first and second equation they are not pair of linear equations. They are just a pair of equations. Pair of equations. Now we changed this pair of equations in the form of a pair of linear equations by identifying the common factors and taking that common factors as the other two more variables like a and b. That is, we got 2a plus 3b is equals to 2, 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. Now solve these two equations, we get a value and b value, and we know a is equals to 1 by root x and b is equals to 1 by root y. By substituting in this, we will get the x value and y value. Now how to solve these two linear equations? Use any one method, that is substitution method or elimination method, or it is cross multiplication method. Now I am going to use substitution method. You see here from equation 3, this is equation 3. Change this equation 3. From equation 3, what I can write here, it is 2a is equals to 2 minus 3b, transpose this plus 3b to RHS will get minus 3b, then a is equals to 2 minus 3b by 2. 2a means 2 into a, transpose 2 to RHS, it divides. Now you take this as equation number 5. Now what we will do? We will substitute equation 5 in equation 4. Why? Because equation 5 we got it from equation 3. Equation 3. Now substitute equation 5 in equation 4. In equation 4. What is equation 4? Here it is. Equation 4 is, this is 4a minus 9b. 4 into a is equals to what? 2 minus 3b by 2 minus 9b, that is equals to minus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 cancelled. Now multiply 2 into 2 it is 4, plus into minus minus, 2 into 3 it is 6b, and then what we have by 1 means we get 4 minus 6b minus 9b, that is equals to minus 1. Now substitute. This is minus 6b minus 9b is equals to what we get, it is minus 6b minus 9b is equals to minus 15b, that is equals to minus 1, and transpose 4 to the RHS. This 4 will become minus 4. Now it is minus 15b is equals to minus 5. Minus and minus are cancelled. b is equals to 5 divided by transpose 15 to this. We will get 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, that is 1 by 3 we got. So what we got here, it is b. b is equals to what? 1 by 3. Therefore b is equals to 1 by 3 we got it. 1 by 3 we got b. Similarly find a value by substituting b is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 5. We will get what? A value. And we have taken a is equals to what? 1 by root x. and b is equals to 1 by root y. By substituting in that, we will get the x value and y value. Is it clear, children? What we have done so far? We have changed the given equations in the pair of linear equations form. Then I have chosen the substitution method to solve these equations. When we solve these two equations, we get a value and b value, but we need to find finally the x value and y value, that is solution of the given equations. Is it clear so far here what it is? Yes? Now, to find a value, what to do? Substitute b is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 5. Substitute b is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 5. What is equation 5? It is a is equals to 2 minus 3b. b is equals to 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. That is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 we got. That is 2 minus 1 into 1, it is 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 is equals, that is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore a is equals to what? We got here it is 1 by 2. A is equals to 1 by 2 and b is equals to 1 by 3 we got. Finally, what we have to find? We have to find the value of x and y. What we have taken? We have taken in the equation 1 and equation 2. That is, put 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y is equals to b. We have taken, that is, a is equals to 1 by root x, which is equals to a is equals to what we got here? It is 1 by 2. Substitute 1 by 2 is equals to square root 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by root x. By cross multiplication, 1 into root x is equals to root x, that is equals to 2 into 1 is equals to 2 we got. Root x is equals to 2. Transpose this root, square root to the other side, that is RHS. Square root will become square and square will become square root. So the square root will become what? Square. Therefore x is equals to 2 square, which is equals to x is equals to 4 we got. X value is equals to 4. Now we need to find b, that is y value. So y is equals to what we have taken? Y is equals to 1 divided, b is equals to 1 divided by root y. But what is b? What we got here? It is b is equals to 1 by 3, that is equals to 1 divided by root y. Again, by cross multiplying 1 and root y, you get root y, that is equals to 3 into 1, 3. Then root y square root sent to the RHS, it will become square, that is y is equals to 3 square. Then y is equals to 3 square means it is 9. Therefore, what is the solution of the given equation? Therefore, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9 is the solution of given equations. Solution of given equations. So like this, we will find the solutions of the equations which are not in the pair of linear equations. Here the first step is we need to identify the common terms in the given equations. Then you take those common terms, represent those common terms with some other variables like p, a and b, or p and q also you can choose, or u and v also you can choose. Then we will get two linear equations. Solve those two linear equations using any of the given method, that is algebraic method. We will get the value of those, that a and b. Then you substitute in the what we have taken. A is equals to 1 by root x and b is equals to 1 by root y. We will get the x value and y value as 4 and 9 respectively. Like this we will solve the equations. Is it clear, children? Is it clear, all of you, how to solve this kind of equations? Yes, we will continue with one more sum. Now we will solve from first bit, same 3.6 exercise, the fourth bit. First question, fourth bit. That is 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 2. And that is second equation is 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So here, what are the given equations? Given equations are 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 2. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Now what is the next step? Identify the common factor. Here it is 5 divided by x minus 1 can be written as 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1. You see here, this rough work you can write it here. A rough work you can write. So 5 divided by x minus 1 can be written as what? 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1. Similarly, 6 divided by x minus 1 is equals to what we can write it as? 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1, and 1 by y minus 1 is there, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Then 3 divided by y minus 2 is equals to what we can write? 3 into 1 divided by y minus 2. Now what is common here in these given equations? 1 divided by x minus 1, 1 divided by x minus 1. Here 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2 is there. So identify the common factors and take this as equation 1 and it is equation 2. Now put p is equals to 1 divided by x minus 1 and q is equals to 1 divided by y minus 2. Or you can write it as what? Put 1 by x minus 1 is equals to p and 1 minus y by 2, 1 by y minus 2 is equals to q in equation 1 and equation 2. So when we put then 1 by x minus 1 is equals to p, then what we get this as 5p plus this will become what it is? Q. 5p plus q is equals to 2, then this will become 6p minus 3q, that is equals to 1. Take this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. Now we got two linear equations. So the given equations we changed in the form of linear equations form with variables p and q. Here variables x and y. Originally in the problem variables are x and y. We changed these equations in the form of variables p and q, that is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now again solve these two equations, find p and q value, substitute in this. P is equals to what we have taken? 1 by x minus 1 and q is equals to what we have taken? 1 by y minus 2. Then you will find the x value and y value. Now solve these two equations. So which method we can use? Now I am going to use which method? The elimination method is. You can use any method. So to eliminate coefficients q, here it is 3 is there, minus 3. Here we have only 1 is there. So to make these coefficients are equal, equation 3 is multiplied by 3. Equation 3 is multiplied by 3. Then we multiply equation 3 with 3. Then what we get it is 3 into 5p plus q is equals to 2 into 3. That is 3 into 5, 15p plus 3 into q, 3q is equals to 2 into 3, it is 6. Now you take this as equation 5. Observe equation 4 and equation 5. The coefficient of q minus 3 and plus 3. Same coefficient is there with the different signs. So what to do? Add both the equations. Then q will be cancelled. We will find the p value. That is now equation 4 plus equation 5. Which method I used here it is? That is elimination method. We are eliminating, that is variable q. So 4 plus 5, it is equation 4 is 6p minus 3q is equals to 1, and this is 15p plus 3q is equals to 6. We are adding. So what we get when we add here it is, then 6p plus 15p is equals to 21p plus 3q minus 3q, both are cancelled, we get 0, that is equals to 6 plus 1, it is 7. Now p is equals to transpose 21 to that side, we get 7 by 21, that is 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So what we got? P is equals to 1 by 3. P is equals to 1 by 3 we got. So next we have to find q. To find q, substitute p is equals to 1 by 3 either in equation 3 or in equation 4 or in equation 5. So I am going to substitute in equation 4. Substitute p is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 4. So what is equation 4? It is 6p means 6 into p is equals to 1 by 3 minus 3q minus 3q, that is equals to 1. 6p, 6 into p is 1 by 3 minus 3q is equals to 1. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 into 1 it is 2 minus 3q, that is equals to 1. Transpose 2 to the RHS, it will become minus 2. Now it is minus 3q is equals to 1 minus 2. So what we get, it is minus 3q is equals to 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Now minus and minus are cancelled, we get 3q is equals to 1. Transpose 3 to the other side, we will get, it is 3q means 3 into q, it is multiplying, therefore it divides. Therefore q is equals to what it is? 1 by 3. q is equals to 1 by 3. P is equals to 1 by 3 we got. Finally what we have to find? We have to find the x value and y value. P is equals to what it is? 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 is equals to what it is? 1 by 3. 1 by y minus 2 is equals to q. Q is equals to what we got, it is? Q by 3, that is 1 by 3. Then replace q as 1 by 3 and p as 1 by 3. Then we will get two linear equations in the form in the variables x and y. Solve those two equations, we will get the x value and y value. That is the final solution of the given equations. We will get it by substituting p and q values. Is it yes? So far here it is yes. Now what we got? P is equals to, we got, it is 1 by 3 and q is also equals to, we got 1 by 3. But what we have taken P as 1 by x minus 1. That is 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. By simplifying, by implies what we get by cross multiplying, x minus 1 into 1 is equals to x minus 1. That is equals to 1 into 3, it is 3. 1 into 3, it is 3. Now x is equals to transpose minus 1 to the other side, it will become plus 1. That is 3 plus 1, which is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Now x is equals to what we got here, it is 4. How we got x is equals to 4? We found in the previous step p is equals to 1 by 3 and we have taken p is equals to 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1. That is 1 by x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. By cross multiplication, x minus 1 is equals to 3. And transpose minus 1 to the other side, it will become plus 1. That is 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Similarly, find q value. So we have taken 1 by y minus 1 is equals to what it is? Q, that is equals to 1 by 3. Q is equals to 1 by 3. Again by cross multiplication, what we get, it is 1 into y minus 1 is equals to y minus 1. 1 into 3 is equals to 3. Now it is y is equals to 3. Transpose minus 1 to other side, we will get it as what it is? Plus 1. Sorry, we have taken it is y is q is equals to y minus 2. We have taken q is equals to y minus 2. Therefore 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3. That is equals to y minus 2 into 1 is equals to y minus 2 by cross multiplication. Then transpose minus 2 to the other side will become plus 2. That is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Therefore y is equals to 5. Therefore what is the equation? 4 comma 5 is the solution of given equations. So what is the concept here in these problems? First step, we have to change the given equations in the form of pair of linear equations by identifying the common factor. That common factors we are expressing in some other variables like p and q or a and b. Then we will get two linear equations, a pair of linear equations. We have to solve those two equations by using any of the following, any of the algebraic method, and we will get the solution. Are you able to understand two sums we have discussed? We will continue with one more sum. Now we will discuss from same exercise 3.6 and from the first bit, fifth question. 7x minus 2y by xy, that is equals to 5. 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 15y. The same question also may be asked by cross multiplying. What we get? 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy. 8x plus 7y is equals to 15 into xy, that is 15xy. So that kind of equation, that is a sixth bit, is there in the same exercise, which we get by cross multiplying this equation. We'll get that sixth bit, that kind of similar to the sixth bit. Both fifth bit and sixth bit we have to do in the same similar method. First, write given equations are. So given equations are, what are the given equations? 7x minus 2y by xy, that is equals to 5. So this is equation. So here in the denominator we have xy is there. Divide whole equation with xy on both the sides. Or say, divide whole equation, that is left hand side, or divide 7xy minus 2y with what it is xy. Or you simply you go for what it is, write this what it is individually. What we get it is individually, when you write here it is that implies 7x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy, that is equals to 5. Like this we can do, or divide this left hand side LHS both numerator and denominator with xy, thereby xy will be cancelled. Xy should be vanished. It should be removed. How it can be removed? By dividing with xy, both numerator and denominator. We can remove the xy. Or you divide individually. 7x minus 2y can be written as 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equals to 5. This implies, now you see here, x and x are cancelled, y and y are cancelled. Now what we got here, it is 7 by y minus 2 by x is equals to 5. Take this as equation 1. This is in the linear equation form? No. Again we have the variables in the denominator. We need to change them to the what? In the numerator. So next, similarly change the second equation. What is the second equation we got? 8x plus 7y by xy, that is equals to 15. It implies 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy, that is equals to 15. Now x and x are cancelled, y and y are cancelled. What we get, it is 8 by y plus 7 by x, that is equals to 15. Now you take this as equation 2. Equation 2. Now we observe here 7 by y, 8 by y. 7 by y can be written as 7 into 1 by y. 8 by y can be written as 8 into 1 by y. So 1 by y is common. Similarly 2 by x means 2 into 1 by x. 7 by x means it is 7 into 1 by x. Again 1 by x is common. So put 1 by y is equals to a and 1 by x is equals to b in equation 1 and equation 2. So here what are the common factors? 1 by y and 1 by x. When we put 1 by y is equals to a, then equation 1 will become what? 7 by y will become 7a minus 1 by x is equals to b, then it will become 2b. That is 7a minus 2b is equals to 5. Second equation will become 8 by y means it is 8a plus 7b is equals to 15. Now we got two more equations, that is equation 3 and equation 4. Now we observe equation 3 and 4 both are pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Is it clear, children? Now we can solve these two equations by using elimination method or by using the substitution method. Substitution method you can use, or you can also use elimination method. Now to eliminate what it is a, or to eliminate b. To eliminate b, here it is minus 2 is there and here it is plus 7 is there. So multiply equation 3 with 7 and multiply equation 4 with what it is 2. Then both 2 into 7 14, 7 into 2 it is 14. B will be vanished by adding both the equations. Or you can go for substitution method also you can use. So now I am using substitution method. From equation 3, 7a is equals to 5. Transpose minus 2b to other side become plus 2b. 7a is equals to 5 plus 2b. Now a is equals to what? 7a means 7 into a, transpose to the other side, it divides. 5 plus 2b divided by 7. Now you take this as equation 5. Next what we will do? What we have to do? Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. So substitute equation 5 in equation 4 to get b value. That is 8a. 8 into a is equals to 5 plus 2b by 7 plus 7b, that is equals to 15. 7b, that is equals to 15. Now here there is no cancellations. So multiply both. What we get when we multiply? So here from multiply this with 8. What we get? 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40 plus 8 into 2 it is 16. 16b by 7 plus 7b, that is equals to 15. Now you take LCM. 7b means it is 7 by 1. LCM for 7 and 1 it is 7. Then we get 7 ones are 7. 1 into 40 plus 16b it is 40 plus 16b only, plus 1 7s are 7. 7 into 7 it is 49. 49b is equals to 15. Now what we get, it is 40 plus 16b plus 49b is equals to 65b by 7, that is equals to 15. Now by cross multiplication we get 40 plus 65b is equals to 15 7s are 105. Transpose 40 to the RHS, it will become minus 40. Therefore 65b is equals to 105 minus 40, that is equals to 65b is equals to 105 minus 40 is equals to 65. Now b is equals to 65. Transpose 65 to the other side, it divides 65 by 65. 65 ones are 65 ones are, that is b is equals to 1 we got. Next we have to find a. To find b is equals to 1. So to find a, substitute b is equals to 1 in equation number 5. This is equation number 5. Now substitute b is equals to 1 in equation 5. That is a is equals to equation 5, it is 5 plus 2 into b is equals to 1 divided by 7, that is 5 plus 2 into 1 it is 2 by 7, that is 7 by 7, which is equals to 7 ones are cancelled, we will get 1. Therefore a is equals to what? 1. Finally what we have to find? X and y. So here a is equals to what we have taken? 1 by x, but a is equals to 1 by x, therefore 1 is equals to 1 by x. By cross multiplication 1 into x it is x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Similarly we have taken b is equals to what we have taken, but b is equals to 1 by y we have taken. Then what we get, it is b is equals to, we have taken 1, that is 1 divided by 1 by y is equals to, by cross multiplication 1 into y is equals to y is equals to 1. Therefore what is the solution? 1 comma 1 is the solution of given equations. Right? Like this we'll find the solutions of equations which are not in the pair of linear equations. Is that clear, the concept, children? Yes? Now I hope you understand today's concept. And today's homework is exercise number 3.6. First bit, question number 1, 3 and 6. Question number 1, 3 and 6. Complete the given homework and thank you for very much.